Yes, yes. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Well, welcome. 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 Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Welcome. Welcome. Yes, yes. This mathematics correction. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, say you can hear me. If you can hear me, say you can hear me. If you can hear me, say you can hear me. Welcome, welcome. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, say you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me in the comment section. Let me know if you can hear me in the comment section. Good evening, guys. Can you hear me? Please say I can hear you, sir, if you can hear me. Guys, can you hear me? Please say I can hear you, sir, if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Welcome, 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 welcome. Where are the others? Where are the others? So we can start. 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 Welcome, 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 welcome. We are now 9. Please, where are the rest? Where are the rest? So we can start. You're all welcome. We're all welcome. We're all welcome. So what you need to do now, I need you to get your scripts. As we are solving, you'll be marking. As we are solving, you'll be marking. As we are solving, you'll be marking. Can you see my face? Yesterday we did a live, but so many students could not see my face. I think today, can you see my face? Can you see my face? Can you see my face? Let me see your comments in the comment section. Can you see my face? Let me invite others, then we'll start. Let me invite others, then we'll start. If you can see my face, say, sir, I can see your face. Yes. If you can see me, say, sir, I can see you. Can you see me? Okay, okay. Let me invite others. Let me invite others so we can start. Good, good, good. Yesterday, you could not see me because I didn't set it well. You know, we're doing my biology yesterday. So most students could not see me. So I'm happy you can see me today. Let me just invite others, then we'll start. You're all welcome. You're all welcome. You're all welcome. Welcome to today's live class. Welcome to today's live class. Can you see okay, one more question. Can you see the solutions? Is it big enough or should I increase it? Let me know, let me know, let me know. I intentionally increased the font size for the solution, the corrections. Can you see the font? Can you see it? Is it okay? Is it okay? Is the size okay? Can you see it clearly? The corrections, the corrections of the solution. Can you see it clearly? Let me know, let me know, let me know. Good, 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 good. Someone say we can see it. Someone say increase it, please. Someone say increase it, please. Someone say we can see it. Do you know when you're watching this video, I want you to put your phone in a landscape, please. Put your phone in landscape. Put your there's a place you press in your screen. It will go to landscape. So you have the full screen. Put it in full screen. But someone say increase it, please. Okay, I will increase it. Let me increase it. Let me increase it. Let me increase. Let me increase. Let me increase. Let me increase. Let me increase it. I'm increasing it now. Let me increase it. Let me increase it. Yes, I've just increased it now. Is this better? Let me know if this is better. 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 I've just increased it now. Let me know if it's better. Let me know. Someone says it's not big enough, sir. I should increase again. Let us know. Let us know. Let us know. Okay, says sir, it's better now. It's better. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Everybody's saying it's okay. This is good. This is good. Please, you're going to mark yourself as we are solving. Be marking yourself. And at the end of the life, let us know what it's called. Yes. Yesterday, biology was very interesting. Yes. Yeah. Just that mathematics, not everybody's doing mathematics. So mathematics, we don't usually have much. Most people are going for biology. Everybody's afraid of mathematics. Everybody's afraid of mathematics. So most people are doing biology. In biology class yesterday, we had almost over 150 or 200 students. But mathematics, everybody's running away from math. Nobody wants to write math. It's good. It's good. It's good. We'll soon start. We'll soon start. Let me just send the final notification. Then we'll start. Final notification. Final notification and we'll start. Final notification and we'll start. Make sure you are here. This is mathematics. We joke with it. There's reason why many people are not offering it because they are afraid of it. So make sure you are here. Make sure you are here. We'll soon start now. We'll soon start now. Well, let me just share one more final notification. Just a little patience, please. Just a little patience. Just a little patience. Just a little patience, please. So get your script ready, get your script ready. Because you're going to be marking yourself. Make sure you don't cheat, though. Make sure you don't cheat. 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 What do you think you're going to score out of 50? Let me see. Drop your comment in the comment section. What do you think you will score out of 50? What do you think you will score? What is your mind telling you? What is your mind telling you now? What is your mind telling you? What do you think you will score out of 50? What's your mind telling you you score out of 50? What's your mind telling you you score out of 50? Joshua said 45. Interesting. Joshua said 45. Kosi said 45. Emmanuel said 40. God's power said 35/50. Interesting. Okay, let's start. Are we ready? Okay, say ready, say ready, say ready, and we'll start. Say ready now, we'll start. I'm ready now. Say ready and we'll start. Say ready and we'll start. Just drop a comment. Ready. Say ready and we'll get ball rolling. Say ready, ready, and we'll start. Say ready and we'll start. Ready, and we'll start. Please drop ready, because once I start, mathematics, once you have started explaining and someone doesn't understand, you have lost it. Oh, once I start explaining and you don't understand, you have lost it. So we must start together. That's why you've noticed, if it's biology, I have started since, but mathematics, you need to start with us. You need to start with us. Mathematics, you need to start from the beginning with us. So say ready, say ready. Say ready. Let's say we are ready. Say sir, we are ready. Good. I'm seeing you're ready. I'm seeing you're ready. I'm seeing you're ready. Good. 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 I'm seeing you're ready. I'm seeing you're ready. Someone said I did my best and left the rest to God. I did my best and leave the rest to God. Interesting. I did my best and leave the rest to God. Interesting. Okay, let us start. Let us start. Let us start. So, class, we have the Jamb Master mock exam correction. The Jamb Master mock exam correction. So, class, question 1 said convert 101101 base 2 to base 10. Convert 101101 base 2 to base 10. Are we following? Are we following? Are we following? We have started, though. We have started. Class, we are converting from base 2 to base 10. Now, the first step, I'm going to teach you mathematics as like a layman, like someone that's never done maths before, so that you can understand very well. If you remember from your secondary school, the first step when you want to convert from base 2 to base 10, how many digits do you have here? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 digits here. So you count this. Since you have 6 digits, you're now going to write the powers of 2, because you're going from base 2 to base 10. So you're going to write the powers of 2 from left to right, from left to right. So from left, we are going to say 2 raised to power 5. Because we have 6 digits, we're going to start from count from 5 to 0. If we had 7 digits, we're going to count from 6 to 0. Had it been we had 8 digits, we're going to count from 7 to 0. But because we have 6 digits, we're going to count from 5 to 0. So we're going to say 2 raised to power 5, 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 0. Now, for 2 raised to power 5, we're going to say what? This first one now is going to be 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 5. You can see here. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 5. This one I highlighted just now, 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 5, is this particular one you're seeing here. So this guy will carry the highest power, while this guy will carry the lowest power. So from here, you're going to have 1 times 2 raised to power 5. Are we following? They are going to have 0 times 2 raised to power 4, 1 times 2 raised to power 3, 1 times 2 raised to power 2, 0 times 2 raised to power 1, and 1 times 2 raised to power 0. This is where you are going to have 1 times 2 raised to power 5, 0 times 2 raised to power 4, 1 times 2 raised to power 3, 1 times 2 raised to power 2, 0 times 2 raised to power 1, and 1 times 2 raised to power 0. Please note that I have a video on number basis. In case you have not yet, there's a video I will send after this live that will help you understand number basis from the beginning. Are we together? Yes, but some of our students, our private students, they have already watched the video, so I think they understand what's going on here. But if you're just joining this live now, I made this live open to everybody so you can understand. You can see what you're going to battle with in Jamb, so you can sit up on time. I just want you to see what you're going to battle with in Jamb. This is even the easiest part. This is the easiest topic. This is chapter 1. This is the first chapter you must learn in Jamb mathematics. This is the easiest thing you will ever do in Jamb maths. So take note. So 1 times 2 raised to power 5. What is 2 raised to power 5 is 32. So 1 times 32 is 32. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. 0 times 16 is 0. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 raised to power 1 is 2. 0 times 2 is 0. Now, after getting all these values, this particular value, you're now going to add them together. So you're now going to have 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. 32, 0, 8, 4, 0, 1. And you're going to have 45. So final answer is 45. If you got 45, mark. So 101, 101 base 2 to base 10 is 45 base 10. It's 45 base 10. Let me see in the comment. If you got it, let me see your answer in the comment section. If you got it, let me see your answer in the comment section now. If you got number 1, let me see your answer in the comment section. If you got number 1, let me see your answer in the comment section. Let me see your answer. If you got number 1, let me see your answer in the comment section now. Let me see your answer in the comment section. If you got number 1, let me see your answer in the comment section. If you got number 1, let me see your answer in the comment section. Yes, B. Someone said I got it, B. Joshua said I got it, B. Gospel said B. I got it. Interesting, interesting. Yes, yes, it's B. Wisdom said B. Yes, B. Mercy said I didn't. No problem. It's better you miss it now so you pass it in the exam. No problem, no problem, no problem. It's part of it, it's part of it, it's part of it. Let's keep going, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Number 2 now, already. Convert 234 base 5 to base 10. Convert 234 base 5 to base 10. As usual, just like we did in question 1, we see they will count the digits. Step 1 is count the digits. So let's go to question 2 now. Question 2 also, convert 234 base 5 to base 10. Count the digits first. How many digits do we have? 1, 2, 3. Now, but this time around, we are dealing with base 5, not base 2. So what I'll be doing for you, I'll be using the next question to also explain what I did in the former question. Class, this one is base 5, not base 2. When it was base 2, what did we do? It was 2 raised to power, 2 raised to power, 2 raised to power. Are you seeing? When it was base 2, this is question 1 again. Question 1 was convert base 2 to base 10. We multiply all through by 2. Are you seeing? But with different powers. 2 raised to power 5, 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 0. All 2. But the highest power was 5. Why is the highest power 5? Because the number we are converting has 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since it has 6 digits, the highest power will be 5. So from 5, you keep going till you get to 0. Now, let us go to question 2 now. For question 2, as you can see here, for question 2, convert 234 base 5 to base 10. This one has 3 digits. So the highest power will be what? 2. The highest power will be 2. And from 2, look at, we're going to go to 2, 1, and 0. Now, what's the base? 5. So you're going to take this base. Look at this base, 5. This base, 5, that I highlighted now. I'm going to say 5 raised to power 2, 5 raised to power 1, 5 raised to power 0. 5 raised to power 2, 5 raised to power 1, 5 raised to power 0. Are we following class? Who is getting the 5 raised to power 2? The first number here. So the first number here is getting the highest power, then followed by this. Then as we are going down, the power should be reducing. So this 2 will be multiplied by 5 raised to power 2. This 3 will multiply by 5 raised to power 1. And this 4 will multiply by 5 raised to power 0. Look at it here. 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2. Look at 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2. 3 multiplied by 5 raised to power 1. And 4 multiplied by 5 raised to power 0. And if you do the math, you see that you have 50, 15, 4. You then add it together. 50 plus 15 plus 4 will give you what? 69. Will give you 69. And therefore, 2, 3, 4 base 5 to base 10 is 69 base 10. Let me see who got this one. Who got this one? Did you get number 2? Did you get number 2? Did you get number 2? Let me see. Let me see. I hope you are still with us. I hope you are still with us. Did you get number 2? Did you get number 2? Let me know. Let me know if you got number 2. Say, okay, yes, say yes, I got it. Now, Messi said yes, I got it. Emmanuel Davis said got it. Kosi said got it. Well done, class. Well done, class. Those that are engaging in the class, well done. You're trying. Well done, well done, well done. It means you are serious. You want to pass. You are serious. This is good. Well done, well done, well done. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Now let's continue, let's continue, let's continue. Let's continue. Now, question 3 now. Convert 11011. If you stay with us to the end of this class, you will know number basis, even if you don't attend the class. Even if you don't attend the class, if you stay to the end, there's no way you will solve 50 questions. At a particular number, you will find out, you understand what this thing is all about. Okay, this is what they are doing. Okay. So this is a method of teaching via exam. This is a method of teaching via what? Exam. Of course, I've taught this topic as a topic. There's a video for it. After the class, if you need the video, you can get it. There's a video for it. But another method of storing things in your brain is learning through exam. I told them yesterday, any question you fail in exam and you finally hear the answer, it is very difficult for you to forget the answer in this life. As I am here, there are some questions I failed in my primary 2 or my primary 3 or my GS1 that the thing is still paining me till today. So because it's still paining me, the answer is still in my head. When you now come out of, have you ever written an exam before? You came out of the exam and then someone now told you are wrong. And you now ask what's the correct answer. You now saw the correct answer. That answer will stick to your brain forever. You will never forget. That's one idea of storing things in your brain. Set exam for yourself and then miss the exam. When you fail, when you are doing the correction, that thing will never leave your brain again. It's reverse psychology. You are reversing your brain. You are forcing your brain to learn something by force. By making it fail first. You are punishing your brain, then rewarding it with the solution. So let's continue. Convert 110. So if you stay to the end of this class, you will definitely understand number base. Convert 11011 base 2 to base 10. As usual, what do you do? Count the digits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This guy has 5 digits. So the highest power of these two will be what? 4, right? Remember, if he has 5 digits, the highest power will be 4. Look at number 2. Let's go back to number 2. When he has just 3 digits, what's the highest power? 2. The highest power of what? 2. Let's go to number 1. This is how we learn. Watch. When it has 6 digits, this question number 1 has 6 digits. What was the highest power? 5. The highest power was what? 5. And what do you do now? You just take the base, which is 2, multiply by 5, multiply by 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And start giving it to each of this number, multiply by this. Now let's go to the main question. So count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the highest power will be what? 4. So you're going to take this 2 now. And say 2 raised to power 4. Look at it. 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 0. You will now take this 1 and say 1 times 2 raised to power 4, 1 times 2 raised to power 3, 0 times 2 raised to power 2, 1 times 2 raised to power 1, 1 times 2 raised to power 0. Just look down. Exactly what happened. So 1 times 2 raised to power 4. What is 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So 1 times 16 is 16. What is 2 raised to power 3? 2 raised to power 3 is 8. 1 times 8 is 8. What is 2 raised to power 2? 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 0 times 4 is 0. What is 2 raised to power 1? 2 raised to power 1 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. You can see it here. Then step 4, you add up everything here. 16. Add up everything here. 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. You have 27. You have 27. And the answer is 27 base 10. Be marking yourself. I want to know your score after this live. Let's go to question 4. Convert 132 base 4 to base 10. Convert 132 base 4 to base 10. As usual, class. How many digits do we have here? 1, 2, 3. So what will be the highest power? 2, right? So the highest power will be 2. So now, but the base here is base 4. So you're not going to say 4 times what? So you're going to say 4 raised to power what? 2. 4 raised to power 1 and 4 raised to power 0. Look at it. 4 raised to power 2, 4 raised to power 1 and 4 raised to power 0. What's the number? 132, right? So this will be 1 times 4 raised to power 2, 3 times 4 raised to power 1, 2 times 4 raised to power 0. Look at it. 1 times 4 raised to power 2. 4 raised to power 2 is 16. So that's 1 times 16. 4 raised to power 1 is 4. That's 3 times 4. 4 raised to power 0 is 1. 2 times 1. Add it up and you have 30 base 10. You have 30 base 10. So number 4 is 30 base 10. Question 4 is 30 base 10. I hope we are still here. I hope we are still here. Question 4 is 30 base 10. 30 base 10. Let's go, class. Someone said options, please. Someone said options, please. Don't worry. The options, I'm solving. I'm solving. So that's why it's looking like. So you have your questions with you there now. So you can be checking the option and be marking. Be checking the options and be marking. You should know when you're correct and when you're wrong. Now, where are we now? Question 5. Convert. Question 5 said convert 45 base 8 to base 10. Convert 45 base 8 to base 10. Just like we have been doing, 45 has only 2 digits. So the highest power will be 1. So it will be power of 1 and power of 0. Now, what's the base? This is base 8. So it will be 8 raised to power 1 and 8 raised to power 0. Now, we have 4 and 5, right? So this will be 4 times 8 raised to power 1 and 5 times 8 raised to power 0. 4 times 8 raised to power 1. 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 8 raised to power 0. 8 raised to power 0 is 1. 5 times 1 is 5. So 32 plus 5 is 37. So we're going to have 37 base 10. 37 base 10. So question 5 is 37 base 10. Let us go to question 6 now. Let us go to question 6. Now, this time around, we are going from base 10 to base 2. If you notice from question 1 to 5, we're always going from one lesser base to base 10. From question 1 to 5, we move from a lesser base to base 10. From question 6 now, I want to go from a base 10 to a lower base. Class, from any lower base to base 10, if you notice what we have been doing, using the expansion method. If you notice, we use the expansion method, take the base, multiply by the power, then keep going like that. That's what I've been doing all through here. But now, when you want to go from base 10 to another base, you divide. Class, anytime you're going from a base 10 to any base, whatever base you are going to, you divide that number by that base. So we're going from base 10 to base 2. So we're going to divide 29 by 2. We're going to divide 29 by 2. And the remainders are going to be taken. Now look up. So 29 divided by 2 is 14. And there's a remainder of 1. Now 14 now is a new number. 14 divided by 2 is 7. There's no remainder because 2 is a perfect factor of 14, so there's no remainder. 7 divided by 2 is 3. There's a remainder, 1. 3 divided by 2 is 1. There's a remainder, 1. 1 divided by 2, 1 cannot go in 2 because 2 is bigger than 1. So it's 0 remainder. This 1 that is here now comes here. Are we together? You're not going to take the remainder from bottom to the top. You see what I say? Now read the remainders from the bottom to the top. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. You read the remainders from the bottom to the top. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. And our answer is 1, 1, 1. Look at it. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 base 2. Who got this? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 base 2. Let me know who got it. Who got it? Who got it? In the comment section, let me know. Let me know. If you got it, 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 let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know if you got it. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know if you got it. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know if you got it. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know if you got it. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. Good. Most people got it. Most people got it. This is good. Most people got it. This is good. This is good. This is good. Most people got it. Most people got it. This is good. This is very good. This is very good. This is very good. Now let us go to the next question. Question 7. Question 7 said, convert 35 base 10 to base 2. Convert 35 base 10 to base 2. Convert 35 base 10 to base 2. What do we do? From base 10 to base 2, we divide, right? So you're going to say 35 divided by 2. 35 divided by 2. Look at it. 35 divided by 2 is 17, remainder 1. 17 divided by 2 is 8, remainder 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4, remainder 0. 4 divided by 2 is 2, remainder 0. And then when you do, you now take the numbers from bottom to the top. So that'll be 100011 base 2. So you have to read it upwards. Remember from secondary school, read it what? Upwards. 100011 base 2. Now question 8. Convert 42 base 10 to base 5. Convert 42 base 10 to base 5. Remember I said anytime you're going from base 10 to any base, you take that number, divide it by the by 5. So take 42 and divide by 5. Look at it here. 42 divided by 5, you have 8. 8 remainder what? 2. You can check it. 42 divided by 5 is 8. Why is it remainder 2? Because 8 times 5 is 40. So 42 minus 40 is what? 2. So there will still be 2 remainder. Now this 8 divided by 5 is 1. Remainder what? 3. 1 divided by 5 is 0 because 5 is bigger than 1. So it's 0 remainder 1. Don't forget you count it what from the bottom to the top. This will be 132 base 5. 132 base 5. Please make sure you are marking. I want to know what you scored. I want to know what you scored. I want to know what you scored. I hope you are still with me. I hope you have not left. I hope you are still following. This is an exam. Sit up, sit up, sit up. This will make you get used to the screen. By the time you get to your main exam, you're already used to the screen. Some people, they have screen fright. They are just reading their book physically, book, but they have not faced a screen before. So the first day they will face a screen is in the Jamb exam day, and they will not be shocked. Are we together? Now let's continue now. Convert 72 base 10 to base 8. Convert 72 base 10 to base 8. As usual, divide by 8. So we're going to divide 72 by 8. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 72 divided by 8 is 9. Remainder 0. Because 72 can go in 8. 9 remainder 0. 9 divided by 8 is 1 remainder 1. 1 divided by 8 is 0 remainder 1. And you count upwards 110. So number 9 is 110 base 8. 110 base 8. Number 9 is 110 base 8. Now number 10. Number 10 say convert 81 base 10 to base 3. As usual, anytime you're going from base 10 to base 3, take that number and divide it by the base, which is what? 3. Take 81 divided by 3. Are we together? So we're going to say 81. Okay, actually, there's a shortcut I used there for question 10. Class, look up. Because 3 is a perfect factor of 81. Are you aware that 81 is the same thing as 3 in 4 places? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 81 is what? 3 in 4 places. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Class, anytime you have this kind of case, there's a shortcut you can always use. So there are 4 3s in 81. So class, what you're going to say is that you're going to start with 1 and then put the 4 zeros to represent the 4 3s. So you're going to write down 1, then put 4 zeros to represent the 4 3s, and you have gotten it. This only occurs when you are changing from base 10 to another base, and that base you are changing to, that number is like a very perfect factor of that number. 3 is a very perfect factor of 81, because 3 can go in 81 4 times. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81. So when you have such kind of special situations, class, you are allowed to say what? That how many 3s can we get in 81? 4. So you're going to say 4 zeros. You're going to start with 1 and put 4 zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0. This is what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 base 3. This is question 10. Question 10. Who got this? Let me see who got this. Question 10. Who got this? A. Question 10 is A. Question 10 is A. Question 10 is A. Someone say I got it. Good. Question 10 is A. Question 10 is A. Question 10 is A. Question 10 is A. Question 11. I'll see if I can be calling the option for you. I have the question in my phone here. So I'll be using my phone to check the option that the answer falls under. And I'll call the answer for you. So it can be easy for you to mark. So it will be easy for you to mark. Question 11. Find 1011 base 2 plus 1101 base 2. Now, this is another aspect, objective of the Jamb syllabus mathematics. You, a student, must know. Remember, in your Jamb syllabus, you see different things you must know as a student. A student must know how to add and subtract. A student must know how to add and subtract. Now, we have 1011 base 2 plus 1101 base 2. 1011 base 2 plus 1101 base 2. We want to add these two numbers. Now let's go. First of all, when you want to add up two numbers, class, you can actually add them up like that, but I'm trying to give you a simpler approach. You can actually add them up, but in this simpler approach, convert each number to base 10 first. And I've already taught you how to convert to base 10, right? So I don't need to go through it again. So 1011 base 2 to base 10. And the other, who is the other person? 1101 base 2 to base 10. So we're going to have 11 and we're going to have 13. Now you add up 11 plus 13, you have 24. So what we did, let me try, so it doesn't seem too fast. They say we should convert 1011 base 2 plus 1101 base 2. Add up these two. Before you add them up, convert them to base 10 first. Convert this to base 10, convert this to base 10. But I'm telling you now that you don't actually need to convert them to base 10. You can actually add them directly. But if I'm teaching you because as if I'm talking towards a student that is not very good in maths. So I don't want to assume anything. So normally if I'm teaching a baby in mathematics, I don't want to confuse the baby. I'll first tell you, convert this to base 10, convert this to base 10. Which is a slower method, but at least until you build your confidence and you are good, then we will not start going the other way. Do you understand? So convert this to base 10. You have 11. Convert the other person to base 10. The other number to base 10, you have 13. You're not going to say 11 plus 13. You're going to have 24. You're not going to convert this 24 back to base 2. How do you go from 24 to back to base 2? Divide by 2, right? Remember, from B is base 10. From base 10 to base 2, divide by 2. So 24 divided by 2, you know what we do here normally, right? You divide, then you remainder from bottom up, right? This 11000 base 2. 11000 base 2. Let me see what option does that fall under. For question 11, 11000 base 2. Yes, option A. So 11 is A. I hope you're still with me. 11 is A. 11 is A. 11 is A. Someone said I didn't write the exam, but I'm learning now. Please. Okay, good. I love this. I love this. I love this. See, yeah, someone that did not write the exam is learning. Imagine you that wrote the exam. You are learning more because you one you miss, you will never forget it. Anyone you miss, you'll never forget it. This is good. This is good. He said I didn't write the exam, but I'm learning now. Well done. Well done, James. SZ2 James. Well done. Well done. Tomorrow we're having chemistry. We're going to do chemistry like this. We're having chemistry tomorrow. Now, question 12 said evaluate 1001 base 2 plus 111 base 2. Evaluate 1001 base 2 plus 111 base 2. If you notice now, I did not have to convert this time around to base 10 first. Oh, I actually did. I thought it's okay. I actually did. So step 1, convert to base 10. 1001 to base 10 and 111 to base 10. You have 9 and 7. Are you seeing it? You're not going to say 9 plus 7 is 16. 9 plus 7 is what? 16. You're not going to convert 16 back to base 2. 16 back to base 2 is divided by 2, right? Divide by 2 and the remainders. Work with the remainders. Work with the what? Remainders. You're going to have 1 0 0 0 0. Are you saying 1 0 0 0 0? So 1 0 0 0 0. Yes, base 2. That's the answer. Question 12. Let me see. What option does question 12 fall under? So it's basically 1 0 0 0 0. Option A. 12 is A. 12 is A. 12 is A. Now, yes, our first subtraction. Don't forget, I will still send a video on number basis from the beginning. When I was teaching on the board, number basis on the board. So we don't just teach on the screen, I teach on the board too. Please take notes. This is because we are doing correction. I just want it to be relatable. I want to see my correction step by step. Are we together? I've taught this topic on the board already, number based. I sent the video to my student, my private class students. Please, if you know mathematics is your problem, join our private class. Let us help you. Join our private class. Let us help you. Don't be remaining in the general group and be open for crumbs. Join the private. Let them teach you well. Join the private class. Don't risk your Jamb. Now let's go 13. 13 said find 1110 base 2 minus 1011 base 2. Yes. We convert to base 10 again as usual. We have 14. Convert this guy to base 10. We have 11. So 14 minus 11 is 3. So from 3 back to base 2, divide by 2, right? 3 divided by 2, and you have 1 base 2. So you can see that 13 is 1 base 2. 13 is B. Those marking. If you are marking your script, 13 is B. 13 is B. Those marking. 13 is B. 13 is B. Those marking. For those marking, 13 is B. 13 is B. Someone said, I watched the math class today around 6 p.m. Good. That's good. That's good. I watched the math class today around 6 p.m. Good. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. 14. Subtract 234 base 5 minus 143 base 5. Subtract 234 base 5 minus 143 base 5. Don't forget that this my solving is very explanatory. And this is a recording. You can easily rewind it and even pause and watch the steps I took to solve it. If I'm too fast in my explanation, you can actually pause your own video and watch the steps I used to solve them and learn. If you notice, every step I'm taking, I explained. Convert to base 10 using the powers of 5. Everything I'm doing, I explained. This self-explanatory class. So if my talking is too fast, you can just pause the video and see the steps, read the steps. Even if I'm not talking and you watch these solutions, you see that it's explanatory, very explanatory. Subtract 234 base 5 minus 143 base 5. You see, I said step 1. Convert to base 10 using the powers of 5. So you convert 234 base 5 to base 10. How do you do that? I've taught how to convert, right? 143 base 5 to base 10. I've taught how to convert, right? You end up having 69 and 48. 69 minus 48 is 21. After getting it in 21 in base 10, you go back to base 5 because your answer should be in base 5. If you notice, this 21 is not in the option. Check your questions. You see that it's not in the option. You must change 21 back to base 5. How do you change 21 back to base 5? Divide by 5. So 21 divided by 5. I've taught this already. Anything you're going from base 10 to any base, divide by that base. So 21 divided by 5, you have 4, remainder 1. 4 divided by 5. 4 cannot divide 5 because 5 is bigger than 4. That will be 0, remainder 4. Now start counting upwards. That's 4, 1, 40, 4, 1 base 5. So question 14 is 4, 1 base 5, A. The answer to question 14 is A. For those marking, I want to see your score at the end of this. I want to see your score at the end of this. Someone say, I really appreciate this. I just remembered all my secondary school formally. This is good. This is why we're having this class. Well done. Thank you for the compliment. Thank you for the compliment. Thank you for the compliment. Good. Good, 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 good. Let's continue. Question 15. Find 34 base 5 plus 23 base 5. Find 34 base 5 plus 23 base 5. You see my steps. Step 1, very, very explanatory. Convert to base 10. Convert 34 base 5 to base 10. I've taught how to convert to base 10, right? We have 19 and we have 13. What are we doing? We're adding, right? So 19 plus 13 is 32. Now convert 32 back to base 5. You know what to do now. You divide. Then take it upward. Read it what? Upward. Don't forget, if I'm too fast in my explanation, because we have already done this conversion. So I shouldn't need to explain how to convert again. If you're still lost, you can scroll up. Remember, this online, on the advantage of online classes that if you are lost, don't even need to wait for the teacher. Just rewind back. In this your live video, you can do like this. There's something you press, you do like to go back and you can watch it again. Do you know you can reduce the speed of this video? Do you know there's a place in YouTube now you can reduce the speed of your own experience? You don't have to be watching at the same speed because everybody cannot learn the same way. We have fast learners, we have slow learners. That's the advantage of online class. If it's a physical class, you cannot slow your teacher down. You cannot slow your teacher down, but on your screen, you have the power to slow the class down. Just there's something you press, you just slow it down. It's the replay speed. You can do that. So you can understand at your own pace, slowly. It should just be recording, it should just be showing you I'm talking very slow. It should make me talk very, very slow and you understand very well. Another thing you can do, you can pause this place, like this part. Now you can pause it. In case I've left here after now, you can pause it, you can rewind and pause it and say, okay, what did you do here exactly? Scroll it, check it here, check it here. You can write it in your book. Write it in your book. That's the most place. Next time if you're coming for a live class, come with a writing material. Make sure you're writing. So for question 15, we have what? 112 base 5. So what do we do again? They said 34 base 5 plus 23 base 5, right? We converted two of them to base 10 first. And we got 19 and 13. We then add them together, 32. From 32, we now return it back to base 5 by dividing by 5, right? And we have 112 base 5. What option does that fall under? So I can tell you to mark. Let me check my phone quickly. What option does that fall under? 15. 112 is B. 15 is B. Those marking B. I want to see your result at the end of this live, please. I want to see your result. You tell me what you score. 15 is B. 15 is B. I hope we are still together. Please say active. We are together. I hope you have not gone to sleep. Oh, say active, 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 active. Active, 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 active. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 16. Evaluate 62 base 8 minus 35 base 8. Convert to base 10. You can see very explanatory. Step 1, convert to base 10. I taught you how to convert to base 10. 6 times 8 plus 2 times 8. You know what to do. You get your math. It's very, very what? Easy. And you have 50. 50 minus 29, you have 21. Now you've gotten 21. Go back to base 8. Divide by 8, right? Divide 21 by, convert 21 to, look at the base. Step 3, convert 21 to base 8. 21 divided by 8 is 2, remainder 5. 2 divided by 8 is 0, remainder 2. So that's 25 base 8. So 16 is 25 base 8. 16 is 25 base 8. 16 is 25 base 8. Where does that fall under? That's option A. 16 is A. 16 is A. 17. Multiply 101 base 2 by 11 base 2. Multiply 101 base 2 by 11 base 2. They're telling us here to convert to base 10 again. Remember, I told you that this is not the fastest way of doing this. But because this is the first time I'm teaching this, I have to go the easier way. You can actually multiply 101 base 2 by 11 base 2 without going to base 10. You just make sure that you are good before you can do that. Because when you're multiplying, your answer must not be more than 0 or 1. When a number is in base 2, the only eligible numbers in base 2 are 0 and 1. That's why they are teaching you to convert to base 10 first, if you are not yet good in that aspect. Converting to base 10, you have 5 and 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. You then return this 15 back to base 2 by dividing by 2. And you have your answer, 111 base 2 for question 17, which is A. 17 is A. 17 is A. 18. 23 base 4 times 2 base 4. The same thing, you can see the same procedure. Look at the same procedure. Convert to base 10, multiply, convert back to base 4. This time around, you're going back to base 4, not base 2. By dividing by 4, right? And what is final answer? 112 base 4. 18 is A. 18 is A. 19. Evaluate 11 base 2 by multiply by 101 base 2. Convert to base 10, then multiply, then get your final answer. Same process. So 19 is 111 base 2. A. 19 is A. 19 is A. 19 is A. I hope we are still together. 19 is A. I hope we are still together. Good. 19 is A. 20. Divide. Yes, our first division so far. Divide 1000 base 2 divided by what? 10 base 2. Convert to base 10 first. Thank God we all know how to convert to base 10. This is 16 and this is 2. So 16 divided by 2, now divide. Step 2 divide. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Convert 8 back to base 2. And you have a final answer. 100 base 2. 20 is A. 20 is A. Please take note. 20 is A. 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 Let's go. Make sure you're not tired. Though. Let's go. Let us go. 21 now. Convert 0.1 as decimal. Yes, I'm not sure everybody will get this. I want to know who got this one. Convert 0.101 base 2 to base 10. Convert 0.101 base 2 to base 10. Step 1, identify the powers of 2 for fractional parts. Yes. Identify the powers of 2 for fractional parts. Class, how many in the fractional, this is after the decimal point, we have 1, 0, and 1. Class, we're going to start giving them a negative power because they're after the decimal point. This, remember, is base 2, right? So we're going to say 2 raised to the power of minus 1, 2 raised to the power of minus 2, 2 raised to the power of minus 3. Why do we stop at minus 3? Because we have only 3 digits after the decimal, 1, 0, 1. Had it been we had 4 digits after the decimal, we will continue 2 raised to the power of minus 4. If we have 5 digits, 2 raised to the power of minus 5, we could have continued. But because we have only 3 digits, it's going to be 2 raised to the power of minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. Now, what are the digits? 1, 0, 1. You can see it, 1, 0, 1. The digits after the decimal point. This is how you deal with decimal points. If you are given a decimal and asked to convert to base 10, this is how you deal with it. Now, the digits are 1, 0, 1. So we are going to say 1 times 2 raised to the power minus 1, 0 times 2 raised to the power minus 2, and 1 times 2 raised to the power minus 3. Do your math, do your math. You're going to have 0.5, 0, and 0.125. We're now going to add them together. 0.5 plus 0 plus 0.125 is 0.625. So our final answer is 0.625 base 10. Who got this? Question 21. Who got this? Question 21. Who got this? Who got this? Question 21. Who got this? Let me know if you got this. Let me know if you got this. 21. Because 21 is actually A. 21 is A. 21 is A. Let's go to 22. 22 say convert 0.25 base 10 to base 2. Convert 0.25 base 10 to base. Someone said, I'm lost. Rewind. Please make sure you rewind. That's why it's an online class. You don't even need to say you are lost. Some of you are still used to your physical classes where you'll be saying you are lost. You have the power now to go back again. You have the power to go back and look at it again. That's the power you have in an online class. That's why online class is better. You can rewind and go back again. 22. Convert 0.25 base 10 to base 2. Same approach. Multiply by 2 repeatedly until the fraction becomes 0. Remember, look at this one. Where is this? The former one. 0.101 base 2 to base 10. 0.101 base 2 to base 10. Okay, now we are going from base 10 to base 2. Sorry. Class, listen carefully. From base 10 to base 2. Listen to the instruction. You can even screenshot each of these points so that you can be looking at it in your slide. Convert 0.25 base 10 to base 2. Look at step 1. Step 1 says multiply by 2 repeatedly until the fraction becomes 0. Multiply by 2 repeatedly until the fraction becomes 0. What does that mean? So you're going to take this 0.25. This is when you're going from base 10 to base 2. When you're going from a decimal that is in base 10, when your decimal is in base 10 and you're going from base 10 to base 2. Don't do this when you're going from 2 to 10. Look at when we went from 2 to 10, what did we do? We just did our normal expansion method. Look at 0.101 base 2 to base 10. We did our normal expansion method, but instead of positive numbers, we use negative powers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. That's the idea for decimals from base 2 to base 10. But from base 10 to base 2, class, 0.25 base 10 to base 2. Step 1, say multiply by 2 repeatedly until the fraction becomes 0 or up to 3 to 4 digits. So 0.25 times 2 is 0.5. Look at this 0 here. We took this 0 out. Look at the 0. Now 0.5 times 2, you have 1.0. This is now a whole part now. So you're going to take this 1. So what are we doing? We're taking this 0. And we're taking this what? 1. Now step 2. Write the digits in order. Write the digits in what? In order. Write the digits in order. So we're now going to say 0.25 base 10 will be 0. Why are you starting with 0. Because you're dealing with a decimal. 0.01. This time around, they are starting from up, down. There's a video on this that I taught on the board. I'll send to you so you can watch. So please, note that this is not the final thing on number base. It's a video. So you say 0.01. And this is how you convert from 0.25 base 10 to 0.01 base 2. Let me know who got this. I'm very curious. Who got this exact one? Who got number 22? Who got number 22? Let me see. You got number 22. Let me see. You got number 22. Let me see. Gospel I said was unable to finish mine. Okay. Emmanuel Davis said I got it. I don't know which one he's talking about, but he said he got it. Who got number 22? Let me see. Joshua Ojigwe said I got it. Excellent. This is good. This is good. Now 23. Convert 0.75 base 10 to base 2. Convert 0.75 base 10 to base 2. Class, this is similar to what we did in 0.25 base 10 to base 2. So in case you missed, you didn't understand question 22. Let me tell you one secret there. If you don't understand a particular question, don't just get stuck and just be discouraged. Continue with us. Because there's another question that will come again that is like that question. A similar question will come again that will make you understand. So convert 0.75 base 10 to base 2. Convert 0.75 base 10 to base 2. First things first, don't forget, multiply by 2 repeatedly. So 0.75 times 2, we have 1.5. You're going to take this 1. Look at the 1. Good. Now, this remaining part, which is 0.5. So we're taking the whole number. The remaining part of it decimal, if you remove 1 from 1.5, what is left? 0.5. You now say 0.5 times 2 again. What do you have? 1.0. Now we're taking this 1, right? I'm putting it here. Why did we stop at only this? Because we have only 2 decimal places, 7 and 5. So we're going to have 1, 1. Don't forget there's a video on this. If you are lost, there's a video on this. So this 1, 1. Start counting from up, down, even though these numbers are the same for now, but you count from up, down, 1, 1. What you're now going to say? You're not going to say 0. This 1, 1 here. This 1, 1. It will now be 0.11 base 2. So 0.75 base 10 to base 2 is 0.11 base 2. Let's go to question 24. Convert 10.1 base 2 to base 10. Convert 10.1 base 2 to base 10. This is what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to send you this solution in PDF. Are we together? I'll send you the solution of this my math in PDF. So you can also be looking at it in your phone and be studying it slowly. Is that okay, class? Convert 10.1 base 2 to base 10. Now, you're going to split into integer and fraction. Class, you're going to deal with this 10 separately and deal with this 0.1 separately. So far, we have not had this problem because all our questions have been 0 point. So they have not been a whole number. It has been 0 point. Look at 0 point. I wish that we've not had a whole number so far. Has always been 0 point. Now, our first whole number. So the rule changes when you're dealing with an whole number, 10.1 base 2 to base 10. Class, this 10, you're going to deal with it separately. You change this 10. Sorry, it's not even 10, it's 10 base 2. Change it to base 10 with the normal method we know, which is the expansion method. Look at it. 1 times 10, 2 raised to power 1, plus 0 times 2 raised to power 0 equals to 2. You have 2. So 10 base 2 to base 10 is 2. Now, this fractional part, 0.1, treat it as we have been doing. Treat it as we have been doing. Okay, because this is to base 10, not base 2. We're going to multiply, actually. So you're not going to say 1, this 1 now, after the decimal point. 1 times 2 raised to power minus 1. I didn't mean there was another 1 here. It would have been 1 times 2 raised to power minus 2. Another 1 here, 1 times 2 raised to power minus 3. Like that, like that, like that. Why is it minus power? Because it's a decimal. So we're going to have, so we now have 0.5. So the fractional part is 0.5. The integer part is 2. You now say 2 plus 0.5. You have 2.5 base 10. 2.5 base 10. Class, permit me to run through the answers, and I'll send you this PDF to look at it very, very well. So 24 is 2.5 base 10. 25 is 3.25 base 10. 3.25 base 10 is 25. 3.25 base 10 is 25. The same thing they asked you to find. Convert 11.01 base 2 to base 10. What did I say? Start with this 11. Separate this 11 as integer. Convert to base 10. Normally, you have 3, right? Then take this 0.01. Now, look at it. Fractional part 0.01. Look at it. And say, take only these two parts. after the decimal point. So this will be 0 times 2 raised to the power of minus 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of minus 2. You're going to have 0.25 and 3. So we now add this 3 plus 0.25. Watch. 3 plus 0.25, we have 3.25 base 10. 26, convert 0.2 base 5 to base 10. The same method, use the same approach. I'm going to have 0.4 base 10. 27, convert 0.4 base 5 to base 10. You're going to have 0.8 base 10. Make sure you're marking 0.8 base 10. 28, convert 101.1 base 2 to base 10. 101.1 base 2 to base 10. Separate the 101, convert it to base 10. How do you go from base 2 to base 10? Look at it again. Expansion method, 1 times 2 raised to the power 2 plus 0.7. Now, the remaining, remember, is 101.1. Now, this 0.1 means 0.1. Look at it here. 0.1. How do you do with decimals? After the decimal point, you have just 1, right? So that'll be 1 times 2 raised to the power of minus 1. That'll be 0.5. So when you add up the answer you got in the previous one with this, you're going to have what? 5.5. 5.5. Now, let's keep going. 5.5 base 10. Now, let us look at question 29. I hope we're still there. Question 29. How many people are still with us? Question 29. Question 29. Question 29. Make sure you're still here. Convert 12.3 base 5 to base 10. Take the integer part. The integer part is the whole number part, 12. Convert to base 10. Look at it. Expansion. Then this remaining 0.3. Look at it. You now have a 3. Only this 3 is 3 times 5 raised to the power of minus 1. And you have this. Add these two together. And you have your answer. Look at 29 is 7.6 base 10. 7.6 base 10. Now, question 30. Convert 0.125 base 10 to base 2. Convert 0.125 base 10 to base 2. This guy does not have what? It doesn't have what? Any whole number, right? So it's just 125. We're going to take this 0.125. Because you're going from base 10 to base 2, going to start multiplying this 0.125. Class, if you're going from base 2 to base 10, it would have been a different case. You would have just said 1 times 2 raised to the power of minus 1, 2 times 2 raised to the power of minus 2, 5 times 2 raised to the power of minus 3. That's what you have said if it was base 2 to base 10. For from base 10 to base 2, that's not how you do it. You're going to take this 0.125 and multiply by 2 repeatedly. You can see step 1, multiply by 2 repeatedly. So 0.125 multiplied by 2 will give you 0.25. What are you going to do? You take this 0, bring it out. The remaining 0.25, bring it here. So 0.25 times 2 is 0.5. Take this 0 again, bring it out. The remaining 0.5, bring it here. 0.5 times 2 is 1.0. Take this 1 and bring it out. There's no longer anything. So you're not going to start counting from up, down, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. Not from down, up. From up, down. So you now say 0.001 base 2. 30. 31. Find 110 base 2 plus 101 base 2. This is simple. Convert to base 10. Get your answer. We've done this before. We've done something like this before. 1011 base 2. 32. Find 100 base 2 minus 111 base 2. Find 100 base 2 minus 111 base 2. Convert to base 10 first. Subtract. Get your answer. You're going to have 1 base 2, 1 base 2, 1 base 2. I want to see what you scored. After we're done. 33. Convert 3 base 10 to base 2. We've done this before. This is simple. Let me just give you the final answer. We've done this. I've now taught you how to convert to 10 to base 2. 1 base 2. Class, the whole idea of this is I want to bombard your head with this anything about number base. That if you see anything number base in the exam, you destroy it. We'll go to the next topic, do the same thing. Go to the next topic, do the same thing. Before your exam day, you are fully loaded with topics and a lot of exam. As you're entering the exam with a lot of exam badges, you've written several exams and you smash your Jamb. 34. 100 base 2 to base 10. We know what to do. Multiply and you get your answer. You have 4 is the answer. 35. Convert 121 base 3. It's becoming easy now because everything they're asking us, we have done them before. We have done something like that before. So why I'm rushing, because I have not seen any new thing I have not taught before. 121 base 3 to base 10, the same thing. 121. There are 3 digits, so the highest power will be what? 2. So 1 times what? 3 raised to the power 2. 2 times what? 3 raised to the power 1. and 1 times 3 raised to power 0. Add it up, you have 16 base 10. 36, convert 25 base 10 to base 3. You know what to do. Divide by 3, right? Now, count upwards. 2, 2, 1 base 3. This is a question I've seen somewhere before. Now, 37, evaluate 2, 2 base 3 plus 1, 1 base 3. Evaluate 2, 2 base 3 plus 1, 1 base 3. What do? First of all, convert 2 of them to base 10, right? Then add them together. You have your answer. Look at the answer here. 110 base 3. 38. Find 102 base 3 minus 21 base 3. First of all, convert them to base 10. 11, 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. Now convert 4 back to base 3 out. Divide by 3. And you have 1 base 3. Now, 39. Multiply 1 2 base 3 by 2 base 3. 1 2 base 3 by 2 base 3. See that you converted it to base 10 first. Base 10. So you have 5 times 2 is 10. You now convert base 10 back to base 3. You now convert base 10 back to base 3. Now, 40. Divide 1100 base 2 by 10 base 2. Divide 1100 base 2 by 10 base 2. Convert to base 10 first. Convert to base 10 first. Then 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 back to base 2. You know what to do now. You divide. Now read upward 110 base 2. 41. Convert 7 base 8 to base 10. From a smaller base to base 10 is expansion method. Remember, right? So what we're going to do now? 7 base 8. I've taught this before. There are only 2 digits, so the x power is 1, and that's 1 and 0. So 8 raised to power 1, 8 raised to power, look at it. Look at it here. 8 raised to power 1 and 8 raised to power 0. So 7 times 8 raised to power 1 plus 7 times 8 raised to power 0. Do your math. Get 63 base 10. 42. Convert 144 base 5 to base 10. From base 5 to base 10, you know what to do, right? Same thing, expansion. Do your math to get your answer. Convert 50 base 10 to base 5. From a base 10 to a lesser base, divide, by 5. We've done this before. You get 200 base 5. 44. Convert 81 base 10 to base 3. Divide by 3, right? Then pick your remainder from down up. Good. 45. Don't forget you can slow down the video. You can slow down the video. You can playback speed is there. 36 base 10 to base 4. Divide by 10, right? And pick your remainder 210 base 4. Convert 1001 base 2 to base 10. You know what to do. Expansion method. Get your answer 9 base 10. 47. Convert 64 base 10 to base 8. Divide by 8 and start counting from under 100 base 8. I've seen this question before somewhere. 48. Convert 0.5 base 10 to base 2. Decimal, I told you what to do. Multiply repeatedly until what? So you are going to have 0.5 times 2 is 1.0. Take the 1, keep the 0, and then you have 1. Write digits after decimal 0.1. 49. 1010 base 2 plus 110 base 2. Convert to base 10, then add up, then convert back to base 2. Simple. 50. Convert 256 base 10 to base 2. You know what to do, right? Divide by 2. Look at it here. It's so self-explanatory. I'll still send the PDF of this solution to the group so that you can see it step by step. You can calm down, watch it, look at it well. I also send videos on number basis that I taught on the board. I have like 3 or 4 videos on number basis that I taught on the board. I'll send them. And also, I already sent the Jamb mathematics syllabus. So this is me. I've just broken down your 50 mock exam questions. Tomorrow we have chemistry. If you know you're not good in math, if you know you are lost in mathematics, message us. Let us register you in our private class. All right. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow for chemistry. See you tomorrow for chemistry. Good night, everybody. Good night, everybody. Good night. Yes.